Hi everyone! Welcome back to Lina's Pretend Play.
Today we are,
Going to do some writing practice.
Woof-tastic.
Mhm.
Care means that, this is the Woof-tastic means fantastic.
Yeah, we got that word from fantastic since we're gonna talk about
The
ultimate puppy love.
Yeah,
So
guys.
it's woof-tastic.
Not fan.
Fantastic. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna say the question, ask question to Lina, and Lina gonna practice writing. So we have a question called, what pet do you pick? So what's the answer, Lina?
I picked a dog.
Good. So now Lina gonna show you by writing. I
Keep on
picked.
writing a capital.
Yeah.
Supposed to be lowercase.
I picked a dog. Good. And period.
Yeah,
So the question, what pet did you pick? The answer is
I picked
pick
a
a
dog.
Okay, so the next question is, why should we care for pets? What's the answer, Lina?
Why should we care for pets? We should care for pets. We should care for pets so that they can stay happy and healthy.
Yeah, so we care for pets.
So
we care for pets to
keep them happy and keep
them happy. That's fine.
Oh, this looks like
You're like a cursive writing.
Yeah, I am. Happy
and healthy. So H-E
A-L
L-T-E. Yeah, Y. Y. Y, not E. H-E-A-L-T-H-Y. Good. So period, please. So why should we care for pets?
Keep them happy and healthy.
We care for pets to keep them
Happy and healthy.
Good writing, Lina. Can you move to the next slide? The next question is, what food does the dog need?
Dog food. So dogs need dog food to eat.
So can you please, the dog need the dog food. Dog eats.
Dogs or dog.
The dog needs dog food.
The dog
need.
That looks like a bee. Need
the dog food.
The dog.
Yeah, period. Can you see writing? Yeah. So the question is, what food does the dog need? The dog needs the dog food. Can you move to the next slide? Okay, how often do we feed it? How often we need to feed dogs?
We need to feed dogs twice a day.
Twice a day. Good. We feed
dogs twice a day.
Yeah, dog, or you can also say we feed dog. Yeah, dog.
Twice. That's us.
Or we feed it.
We feed
it means dog.
Dogs.
Yeah.
We feed dogs twice a day.
Twice a day.
Twice a day.
We need to feed a dog.
We need to feed dogs twice a day.
Good. Where does the dog sleep? The next question is, where does the dog sleep? So what is the answer, Lina? Can you give me the full
Dogs
text?
sleep in a dog bed.
Good.
So dogs
writing in the green area?
Yes, I know.
Yeah.
Sleep.
Sleep.
Sleep in a dog
Bed.
dog bed.
Bed. Yeah. B-E-D. So where does the dog sleep?
In a dog sleep in a dog bed.
Good. Next, please. How does the dog play? Next question is, how does the dog play? What is the answer, Lina?
The dogs play with the ball.
The dogs play with the ball and the toys. Okay. So the dog. And please write D-O-G, not G-O-D. Okay?
I get mixed up.
Yeah, the dog, D-O-G. Yeah. Play or plays? The dog plays
at what?
Yeah, with
a ball.
With a ball. With W-I-T-H. Good. Period, please. There you go. So where does the dog play?
The dog plays.
How does the dog play? The dog play with a ball.
Plays.
Next, please. How does the dog do exercise? The next question is, how does the dog do the exercise? Dog do the exercise?
The dogs take
T-A-K-E. Or you can also write the dog needs to walk.
The dogs take a walk.
Walk. The dog take a walk. Good, Lina. Here is a dog. That's why you write it. Take, not
Yeah,
takes.
it feels the dog takes them.
Yeah. Good. Nice. Let's see the next slide. So the next question is, what about the vet and shots?
The dogs go to the dog.
The dog goes to
The vet to take shots.
vet for shots. So vet means the dog's doctor.
The hospital.
The animal's doctor.
Yeah.
Yeah. The dog to the vet.
To the vet
for shots. Do you remember you also got the shots?
Yeah.
Yeah. Like
That's
people,
way long ago.
like people, dog also used to get the vets to get them healthy. Yeah. Next one, please. Good writing, Nina. Go to the second.
Joke.
So now it's joke time. What can be the joke? Let's see. So why did the dog sit in the shed?
Because the dog didn't want to be a hot dog.
Okay. That's nice. And the hot dog is a kind of food, right?
Because they didn't want to be hot.
Yeah. So
Like a hot dog. Because, how do you spell cuz?
Because. B-E.
I know how to spell because. That's easy.
C-A.
I know.
You know.
My teacher told me this too.
Okay. Wow. Because, yeah, wow, you can.
Do you know why?
Uh-huh.
Because as your baby eats candy apple until she explodes.
Oh, baby eats candy
apples until she explodes.
Oh, nice. Nice example of that. Because. Because. And be supposed to be capital. Because he did not. He did not want
to be a hot dog.
Want to be a
hot dog. Now you don't have to say it.
Yeah.
To be a hot dog.
Dog. Getting sometimes DNP.
See, that happened at school too.
Yeah. Hot dog. Here. Good. Good writing. So you can practice this kind of writing every day.
And you can also practice baby eats candy and apples until she explodes.
Yeah. Good. Okay, let's move to the next slide.
That one.
Yeah, so that's all. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.